Need a soft-faced hammer without buying one? Grab a regular hammer, a hot glue gun, and 4 small neodymium magnets. Start by holding the hammer sideways with one flat face pointing up. Place 4 small magnets near the corners of the hammer face. They will make the soft cover removable so it can snap on and off whenever you need it. Now wrap painter's tape around the hammerhead, creating a small shallow mold around the face. Fill that space with hot glue, making sure the glue covers the magnets and forms one soft, flexible cap. Let the glue cool completely, then peel away the tape. Now the magnetic soft face can be removed and attached again in seconds. It looks ready, but it isn't quite finished yet. Stay with me, because one tiny improvement makes it much stronger. Here is why this is useful. First, hit a scrap piece of wood with the bare metal hammer face. Even a few light taps can leave dents and marks. Now attach the soft face and try again. This time, the hammer still transfers the force, but the soft glue spreads the impact, so the wood is protected. But there is one problem. Because the hot glue face is flexible, it can bend when you remove it from the hammer. After a few uses, the magnets may stay stuck to the hammer instead of staying inside the soft face. To fix that, place the soft face back on the bench with the magnets facing up. Add a thin layer of hot glue over the magnets. Then immediately turn it over and press it against the metal hammer face. This forms a thin reinforcing layer around the magnets, locking them into the soft face much more securely. And that's it. A removable soft-faced hammer attachment made in minutes. Perfect for tapping wood and delicate parts without leaving marks.